Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely because consistent ratios control texture. First, chill butter for 20 to 30 minutes so it firms but stays workable. This prevents spread. Cream 1 cup butter and 1 cup sugar until pale, then add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla to bind. Once mixed, fold in 2 cups flour, 5 teaspoon baking powder and 25 teaspoons salt just until combined. Make sure to avoid overmixing. That keeps cookies tender rather than tough. Once dough is chilled, divide it into usable portions and shape into discs to speed handling. Chill 30 to 60 minutes so it firms. When ready, lightly flour your surface and rolling pin and roll to 1/4 inch thickness, rotating dough to keep thickness even. Use cookie cutters with a single straight press. Wiggle as little as possible. Then transfer shapes to a parchment-lined sheet using a thin spatula, leaving about 1 inch between cookies so heat circulates. If dough warms, rechill briefly. You bake sheets at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Watch for edges that set but centers still pale. This gives a tender center. Once out, cool on the sheet for 5 minutes so cookies stabilize, then move to a rack to cool completely before decorating to avoid melting icing. For storing, layer with parchment in an airtight container. If cookies spread or lose shape, here is the key troubleshooting tip. Chill dough longer and reduce oven temperature by 10 degrees next batch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.